Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of these lash sets. If you guys want to see me review the other one, don't forget to subscribe because I will be doing a review on both of these, but today I'm going to be doing one. So they're by this brand right here, and they are DIY cluster lashes. So you have this set, and then you have this one. And then both sets, I probably will do the other one. This one I'll do another day. But both of the sets, I'm going to show you. They do come with the tweezers, the glue, and then the seal with the lashes. So I'm not going to be reviewing these ones. But if you're interested, I will link these. But I will be doing a review another day, like after I take off these ones on those ones. Today I'm going to be reviewing this set right here. Let me go ahead and show you what this one looks like. Okay, so this one comes with this set. Let me go ahead and open this. So it comes with all these. So literally this is 4 different sets. Really awesome deal. Like that's a ton of lashes. And then it does come with this as well. So it comes with a lash remover, which is an oil-based remover. That's the best way to get off lashes. Once you're done wearing them, you're just going to rub this off. Most of the lashes usually last at least a week. Sometimes I can get them to last 2 weeks. In order to take them off, you do need a oil-based remover to get all the glue off your lashes and so that they don't tear out your natural lashes. Because if you're not using a remover like that, you will have lash damage. So make sure that you are using a good remover. I'm trying to take this off. It comes with your tweezers, and it has a brush on that side so you can really brush through if you need to. And then it has the bond, which is the glue, and then the seal. Now the seal you don't have to use unless your lashes are sticky. That's when you use the seal. So let me go ahead. I'm going to try to figure out which ones I'm going to put on today. They're all really pretty. So I do like a more wispy lash like this one and these ones and these ones. The ones that are straight like this, they're hit or miss. Usually you have to overlay them, like slightly stack them in order for them to look nice because they're kind of straight on. And when they're wispy, it just hides it better. So I think I'm going to go with this one because this one's wispy, but it's more like of a natural. It's going to look more natural rather than these ones. These are going to be a little more bold, so it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. And they all have 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 millimeters. So that's a really good variation. I'm going to start off with the 16. I'm going to be doing 216, 215, 214, and then maybe 213. We'll see. So to apply them, I'm going to like kind of scoot in closer so you guys can see. So that's what the glue looks like. It is a micro mascara 1, which is the best way to apply your lashes. And instead of applying it, like normally you'll just go through and you'll like slightly dab underneath here. You don't want to get it on the full lash. Sorry. You don't want to get on the full lash. You just want to dab towards the base of your lashes. Now, I don't want a lot of glue on there at all because I do not like the way it looks. And then your eyeshadow sticks on top. The way that I've been preferring to apply them, let me go ahead and take my lashes off. And to take your lashes off, you're just going to grab it from underneath and then pull up. So I'm going to take the 2 that I'm going to put on and I kind of lay them out like that. And then as I keep going, I add more. So you're going to get your lash. I got a little bit of glue right here, so I'm just going to dab it on top. Then you're going to situate it where it's going to be comfortable for you to apply it. I like applying them like this. To me, that's the most comfortable way. And you're going to look down. And then you're just going to apply it just like that. So that was 216. Now I'm going to do 215s. So So that's what it's looking like so far. Now I'm going to do 2 14s. Okay, so I have 2 16, 2 15, 2 14. I'm going to take off 1 13 because that may be all I need. We might need to. We will see. So yeah, so 2 16, 2 15, 2 14, and 1 13. And that is what it looks like. Huge difference, like before, after. I love these, and I will be reviewing all these other sets on this kit as well as I apply them. I usually always try to record when I do a lash video, so stay tuned for that. And then once they're on, I'm going to let them get a little tacky, and then I'm going to press them down, and I'll show you how to do that. So because I haven't applied that other set, I don't want to get the tweezers all sticky because it makes it harder to apply. So I cleaned out these ones, and I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to press it down onto my lashes like that. And that's really going to make them last. This is a really important step if you really want your lashes to last. So just like that. And that's what they look like. You can see that's from the side. This is the top side. Super pretty. Let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera, and I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so that's what it looks like with both eyes completed. As you can see, I only use a couple on each row. I could literally do my lashes 1, 2, 4 more times, and that's with just this. And then I have another 4 times that I could use these rows up here. So really awesome deal, and just look how pretty they look. Super nice. I love how some are like longer than the others. It makes it just blend so beautifully. I really do like this. And then like my eyes aren't sticky, but normally like if you blink and your eyes are sticky, you're going to take the lock and then you're going to go right underneath, like right here. Do not brush this all the way through because it will make your lashes super stiff. You don't want that. So you just use it on parts that are like sticky and you are good to go. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.